Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host, Alex Morin. Now I gotta tell you something. I have upped my promo. I have upped my barbecue smoking game. So up yours. With Latour de Spice's Deluxe Smoking Set, of course. This is an unbelievable promo gift that you are going to love. If I'm an employee at a company, this is the kind of gift that I want. Hey, thanks for doing such a great job, Alex. Here's a smoking set. Whether I barbecue or not, it's easy to understand how to actually use a smoking set because this kit comes with everything. On the inside, you're going to see a beautiful logoed, full-color process story of how to barbecue. And then you're going to find a QR code that launches a video that shows you how to use a smoking kit. Now, in this deluxe kit, you've actually got 3 different types of wood pellets that are going to add flavor to the smoking. We've got hickory flavor, we've got apple flavor, we've got my favorite cherry flavor. And guess what? The wood that we use is actually offcuts. That's the wood that's normally not used when they're harvesting for lumber, so it normally ends up in the landfill, but we're using it here to actually smoke with meats. Isn't that wild? So it's kind of sustainable. And then we're taking it and we're actually putting those pellets inside this stainless steel tube. You open up your barbecue, you put your gear on there, you light the fire, boom, you've got the smoke coming out, it's infusing your meats, it's infusing your food with beautiful flavor. And did you know that you can actually cold smoke? You can smoke between 100 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit, throw a brick of cheese on there, throw some cherry wood, and ooh, the smell and the taste of that cherry wood flavor is infused in your cheese. Now, if I'm a marketing manager, I can think of a billion ways to use this as a promo item. I'd probably use it as a dealer loader. I might even use it as a gift with purchase, or I would give it out to all of my staff who have worked extremely hard throughout the long winter season. And I could even host a company barbecue. I invite my VIP customers and I give it out as a gift for all of my loyal customers. And what's so cool about Latour de Spice is they will allow you to use and insert a separate sheet of paper that talks about the story of your brand. Here's what we did this year. Here's what we accomplished. Here's how valuable you are to us as a customer. Whatever message you want to put in there, it can be custom insert at no extra charge. Oh, and Latour de Spice also creates their very own world-class rub. So if you're smoking a brisket, if you're smoking my favorite ribs, or even chicken, try this rub. It is delicious. And you can even customize the card that gets attached to it as well if you want to tell even more about your brand. The box itself is biodegradable. The shavings inside are biodegradable. This company thinks of everything, and it's why I love it. I'm Alex from Promonoise. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and I will catch you at the next product review.